Affiliate marketing tips and advice you need to know. One way services gain new customers is by utilizing affiliate marketing. If you think affiliate marketing can promote your organization, then check out the following ideas. Ensure that the affiliate business that you are signing up with uses cookie tracking. This is an excellent method for them to credit you the sales that you are due. Since it will track all of the orders and you will receive the money that you are owed, this will truly benefit you. Extreme couponing has actually made individuals absolutely rabid for offers, so take your affiliate marketing strategy and figure out how you can capitalize on this brand new fad. If the business you're partnered with is using any discounts or sales that you can promote on your website, find out. You can likewise negotiate with them to develop a voucher code just for your website, giving it to your audience for a brief quantity of time and allowing them a portion discount rate on their purchases. Do not be tempted to sit back as soon as you have actually reached a level of success in your affiliate marketing company. On the contrary, you must push forward more to see how you can build on your existing success. You want to keep your momentum going so that your business performance will continue to go up. Only use affiliate ads that have something in common with your site. Otherwise, the advertisements will be rendered useless because individuals aren't considering other things when they come to your website to look around. Make smart advertisements that direct individuals who are actually interested in your product to your website. Ensure you don't irritate individuals with your advertisements. The last thing somebody browsing the web desires while they're enjoying a video or checking out an article is an obnoxious ad covering their screen. Attempt to get the audience's attention without frustrating them, or else they'll be turned away from your item. Try to put links that complement each other when you are placing affiliate marketing links on your site. If you do this properly, it will look more like you are an authority on the topic. It would not be a great idea to attempt and sell blood glucose monitors while also trying to offer candy. This will get lots of individuals interested, and it is a fantastic marketing method. Do not make the item big and pricey. You do not desire to lose cash by doing this. Clients are essential for the development and survival of any business. In order to draw in brand new consumers, lots of companies utilize affiliate marketing. Using the pointers supplied in this short article, you can start to take advantage of affiliate marketing and increase your profits. One way organizations acquire brand new clients is by using affiliate marketing. If you believe affiliate marketing can promote your company, then check out the following suggestions. Extreme couponing has actually made people absolutely rabid for offers, so take your affiliate marketing method and figure out how you can capitalize on this brand new trend. As soon as you have actually reached a level of success in your affiliate marketing company, do not be lured to sit back. In order to draw in brand new customers, lots of companies use affiliate marketing. Thank you for looking at my video. From Ian Jackson.